Hello sir, welcome to Gajraj Hyundai. How can we help you today with?
Hi, I have heard about the Hyundai Extended Warranty. May I please know what is it about?
Absolutely. It's a smart choice that protects your car against unexpected repair costs beyond the standard warranty. Thinking about Hyundai Extended Warranty? Let me tell you how it works. The Hyundai Extended Warranty is a comprehensive package that offers our customers peace of mind. It covers the repair or replacement cost of faulty electronic engine control module, all fuses and wiring parts, anti-braking system, power steering, seat adjuster, push start and many more. So as you can see, the Hyundai Extended Warranty offers complete peace of mind.
So, what other advantages does having the Hyundai Extended Warranty services provide?
Once you've started the Hyundai Extended Warranty service, it's valid from day one. You'll also get roadside assistance at pan-India level throughout the year. Your car shall have a higher resale value, better financial protection, and many more, all up to 7 years, and that too at the cost of almost 1% with respect to the ex-showroom price of the car. So what are you waiting for? Get that Hyundai Extended Warranty service done today.